నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ టు హెచ్ఎం టీవీ. నేను సంపత్. బులెటిన్లో డీటెయిల్స్ చూద్దాం. ఏసీఐఐఎం ఇంటర్నేషనల్ మీడియేషన్ సదస్సులో ఏపీ సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Recently, Visakhapatnam is rated one of the most safest place for women protection. That is very interesting comment. I want to make it here. Not only women's safety, even men's safety also, this is the best place. I am very happy to be here because the judiciary is a key pillar of our constitution, protecting democracy and the rule of law. India's judicial system is known for its credibility, transparency, and strong commitment to justice. While there may be some delays at times, justice always delivered. Every common man is having hope. Ultimately, I will get justice. That is the beauty of our justice. I am proud of it. The people of India have immense faith in our judiciary, not just as an institution of law, but a pillar of justice, fairness, and constitutional values. It is seen as the finest guardian of rights, a protector of common citizen, and a symbol of the rule of law in our democracy. Here, I wanted to make a comment. I have seen India for the last, as a policy maker, I entered to politics in 1978, first time MLA. After that, 1980, I became Minister. 95, I became Chief Minister. I have seen India. Today, if you see, India has taken bold reforms. 1991 economic reforms. Mid-90s, IT revolution. Indians took advantage, first more advantage. God is very kind. India is blessed with demographic dividend. Now slowly we are losing that advantage in South India. Now North India still there is an advantage. With all these factors, we are having a very strong leader also at center. That is Narendra Modi ji. If you see 11 years back, 11th economy, largest economy. Today, 4th largest economy. Next year, we are going to become third largest economy. And at the same time, there are predictions by Ernst & Young. By 2038, we will become second largest economy in the world. I don't have any doubt about it. And also 2047, India will be number one economy globally. It is going to happen because of our inherent strengths. If you see here some of the reforms, I have seen tax reforms, CST, VAT, GST, improved version of GST now, another reform. With all tax reforms, we are growing 6-7% now. There is a potential of growing 10% in the near future. If all these things will happen, then nobody can stop India moving forward. This is the situation we are all here now. At the same time, ADR and India's mediation culture. Just now, Vice Chancellor rightly mentioned, if you remember mythology, Krishna was the best mediator.